lahat. Itong kaarawan kong ito, inabot po ako ng 70 years old. Malaking blessing po kay Lord. Nagpapasalamat po ako ng buong puso kay Lord. At sana po abutin pa po ako ng dagdagan yung aking kaarawan ng mahaba-haba pang buhay.
I can't you wait, baby, leave me this way. You better run right there. I can tell you what you leave, girl. I'm thinking of you to run right there.
Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa dalawa kong anak na sumuporta po sa akin sa handaang ito. At sa mga guests na dumating ko rito, malaki po pagpapasalamat ko sa kanila.
It's shining. Seems the days
Sana abutin ka pa ng 100 years. Nagmamahal. Tessie.
these dreams
My friend, BFF, Marilyn Francisco. Happy birthday! My wish on your birthday, long life, good health, and more blessings to come.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola!
that away. Here we are.
Enjoy on your day. Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day, Nanay. God bless you.
Please, all welcome, Mrs. Marilyn Baby Francisco.
This adventure we were meant for. Every day is a chance to discover.
The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you.
Together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the one
Dice, salamat sa panahong ito at ikaw ay binigyan pa ng kalakasan ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Happy birthday, Dice.
me will find a way. Oh, the
Napanalangin ko lagi na ligtas ka. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa akin.
Happy birthday po, Lola Bebe. Love you po.
all the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the one that awaits. Here we are, forever strong. Through it all, the world we face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the one that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
Ang bumabalik sa iyo, maligaya ka sana at makatakbo ka sana ng iyong panibagong pag-ibig sa pangalan ng Jesus.
I hope you have many birthdays to come in your life.
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the one.
Sana ka always happy ka sa buhay mo. At wish ko sana makakita ka na rin ng apam. Sana huwag ka nang magkakasakit ulit.
Here we are, forever starts today.
God bless po ang aking kaarawan na ito. Malaking blessing po sa akin na inabot po ako ng 70 years old. Bye-bye po. Thank you po.